In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, expiratory capacity, that is EC, is equal to tidal volume, that is TV, plus expiratory reserve volume, that is ERV. Hence, A matches with 2. Now, functional residual capacity, that is FRC, is equal to expiratory reserve volume, that is ERV, plus residual volume, that is RV. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, vital capacity, that is VC, is equal to ERV plus TV plus inspiratory reserve volume, that is IRV. Hence, C matches with 1. And inspiratory capacity, that is IC, is equal to TV plus IRV. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option C.